welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making homemade ghee. And once you see how easy this is, you will never want to buy the expensive store version again. I'm using 5 packs of unsalted butter, just regular store brand. The important thing is that the only ingredient is milk or cream, with no additives. You don't need anything fancy or expensive, just good quality butter, and you can use any amount you like. Turn the heat to medium or slightly higher at the beginning. We just want to melt everything down smoothly. Don't walk away yet, butter melts quickly and we don't want it browning too soon. When it's fully melted and completely liquid, that's your sign to lower the heat. Now reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. You will see it bubbling, that's the water slowly evaporating, totally normal. I like to stir it occasionally, just gently, especially around the bottom. This helps prevent the milk solids from sticking or browning too fast. You don't need to stir constantly, just give it a little mix now and then. As it cooks, the butter separates into 3 parts: water, milk solids, and pure butter fat. And this is exactly what we want. Keep the heat low and steady. If it's bubbling aggressively, turn it down a bit. We are going for a calm simmer, not rolling boil. Low and slow is what gives you the beautiful clean ghee in the end. After a while, you will start seeing white foam forming on top. That foam is milk solids rising to the surface. Using a small strainer or spoon, gently skim it off. You don't have to remove every tiny bit, just most of it. The rest will settle at the bottom later. And you don't have to throw this away. Some people spread these milk solids on toast or mix them into rice or mashed potatoes. Totally optional, but a nice way to use everything. You will already notice the butter starting to look clearer. Now watch the color. It slowly changes from creamy yellow to a more transparent golden shade. That's exactly what we want. You will notice the bubbling becoming quieter as more water evaporates. At this point, technically, you have made clarified butter, but for real ghee, we continue cooking just a little longer. The milk solids at the bottom will turn a deep golden brown, and you will smell beautiful nutty, almost toffee-like aroma. That's when you know it's ready. Be careful here. It can go from golden to burn quickly. Turn off the heat and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's time to strain it. Earlier we used a small strainer to skim the foam, but that one isn't very fine. So for this step I'm using a larger strainer lined with pantyhose, or you can use cheesecloth. I place it over another pot so everything is strained cleanly and safely. If you already have a small fine mesh strainer, you're lucky. You can strain directly into your jars and skip the extra pot. Less dishes to wash later. Carefully pour the ghee through and let it filter out all the browned milk solids. Then slowly transfer the clear golden liquid into clean, completely dry glass jars with lids. And look at that color, pure liquid gold. Let the ghee cool completely before sealing it. You can store it in a sealed container in a cool, dark cupboard for up to 3 months. If you place it in the fridge, it can last up to a year. Homemade, clean, no additives, just pure flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more simple homemade recipes here on Simply Food Recipes. I will see you in the next one.